Hello everyone, today Snowman Apothecary has something great brewed up for you. Today I want you to become that person you've been trying to become. I want you to look at every single day as a new opportunity to be the best you can be. So with nothing else needing to be said, let's go ahead and get this video rolling. Every day, I want you to look at yourself and say, this is a new day, so that means there's a new you. I want you to look in the mirror and say, today I'm going to be the person that I aspired to be yesterday. Every day, I want you to look at the day before and say, these are the battles I lost the day before, and then compare it to the day of and say, these are the battles I'm going to win today. Write down the goals that you want to get done each day. In the morning when you wake up, write down the goals, the things that you want to get done, and when you get them done, cross them off of your checklist. And when you get everything done, then you can just sort of breathe and relax and spend family time, do whatever you need to do to prepare yourself for the next day. But all the while you're preparing for the next day, make sure that you are still being the best you can be to the people around you, if you have people around you, or to whatever you are doing for your hobbies. Because aspiring to be the best you is going to transfer into every single avenue of your life. If you are drawing, just doodling, and you're not aspiring to be the best you, then that is going to transfer over into your daily job. And so once you're writing stuff on the whiteboard, you're going to take shortcuts to write it on the whiteboard, so maybe nobody else can read it, and you didn't think of that before. But now people come up to your whiteboard and they say, hey, I was wondering, what does this mean, because I need to use this information. And now you have to take that extra step, take that extra time to explain it to them. This is just a little bit of a way that handling this situation in the first instance of just taking that little bit of time to be the best you can resolve this situation before it even arises. Now, spending each new day, being a new you, going forward, that means you have to do something with yourself. What you need to do is you need to ride through life in style. What this means is you need to be cool. You need to be calm, cool, collective. You need to be the person that people look to and say, that person has his hobbies in order, that person has his mission statement of his life straight, that person knows exactly what objectives he is looking to fulfill. And you do this by just coming across to them like you know what you're doing, and by showing them that you know what you're doing, whether or not you actually do, you start to get this feeling inside of you that you know what you're doing, and then you will take the right steps to move. So if you want to spend all of the time being the best you, then you must know that no matter what you're doing in life, sidelines are for underachievers. Go-getters run to the front lines. You need to know this, because if you are just drawing and you're drawing on the sidelines, if you're just playing video games and you're just okay at them, whatever you're doing, if you're just doing okay at it, or you are not the first pick for certain things, then you are not trying your hardest to be successful at this thing. And if you're not trying your hardest to be successful at one thing, you're not trying your hardest to be successful at other things. And success does not flock to people that are not flocking to it. And it's more important to tell it that you're serious by saying, even in my hobbies, I am looking for success. I am looking to be an extremely good guitarist. Whether or not I'm actually going to be a musician that plays on stages for thousands of people, I am going to be the greatest guitarist just because I need that success. And that's exactly why when you're looking at your hobbies, when you're looking at all these things that you love doing, you can't just throw them aside, because they help build that character in you. They help build that desire for success, because these are the things that you're most passionate about. And if you're looking to be successful in these things, then you are looking to be successful everywhere else. So what I'm saying here is, if you feel inspired to do something, if you feel inspired to try a new hobby, follow that inspiration, follow your instincts. Listen to what you are telling yourself when you're telling yourself, I want to try this, because when you listen to yourself, that is when you will feel fulfilled, and when you feel fulfilled is when you can push forward for success. So now, leaving this video, I've just got one question for you guys, and I want you guys to comment below and let me know what you think. I'm going to give you my 2 cents on this, but I want you guys to let me know what you think. So this question is, tranquility or war? Which one wins? Does it pay to be a pacifist, or does it pay to be a warrior? If you're a pacifist, can you really achieve what you want to achieve? If you're a warrior, will you create the fellowship, the bond with people that you want to create? Or do you create that fellowship better by being a pacifist? Which one truly wins? Which one of these is the only way to success, if any of them? Or do both of them get you there? I want you guys to comment below, leave me an answer below, and I believe there are situations when tranquility prevails and there are situations when war prevails. But for the most part, you need to choose one side to stick to and stick to that side throughout the majority of your career, because that side is going to mold you into it and it's going to cause you to be better at either being tranquil or be better at being a warrior. So stick to that side through your career so that you can become the best at that side. So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please leave a comment below, please hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.